Yes, guys, digital stickers to sell on Etsy. Let's go. So, guys, look, digital stickers are popular. Very, very 417,000, guys. 417,000, ridiculous amount. Like I said, you gotta niche it down. Digital stickers for planners, right? For planners, good notes, bundle, whatever it is. Add a word, guys, right? Add a word. It reduces. Look at that, 111,000. Still massive though, you know, massive. Digital planner stickers. I love these digital stickers. Look at these massive amounts, and then just keep niching it down, niching it down. Digital stickers for kids, for books, for print, commercial use, Samsung notes, whatever, good notes. You just keep going for business. Doesn't stop, guys. You just got to keep niching it down. What's this one? 49,000. So I've got it down for good notes, right? You can see people are selling these. Very popular, like I said. Everyday life stickers. Let's have a look at this one. Everyday life stickers for daily planner, for your daily planner. Let's click on this one. Right, let's just very quickly analyze these. These are some basic, very basic stickers, guys. But look at this. You know, it's got 608 reviews. And let's just analyze this very quickly. Let's see how much it actually does sell. Or how many it sold this month. Because then we'll just get a little bit of an idea. Look at this, guys. 4,734 monthly. Sorry, my mistake. Estimated monthly sales 590. Estimated monthly revenue 6,230. $6,000, guys. 6,236. That's not too shabby, right? That's pretty cool. And then I'm just gonna go down to the tags because this is important. You got the good notes. All these are stickers, daily life stickers, everyday stickers, functional stickers, daily stickers, PNG stickers, iPad stickers, good note stickers. Look, you can see it's trending. 2,302 volume planner stickers. So, guys, there's a lot of trending. There's a few trending sticker types, if you like, or niches. So, sounds like a good one. Sounds like there's a lot of competition though. But look, you can even get into the niches. But with 6,000, looking at this, I mean, I know it's 400 stickers, right? Because when I click on this, there's quite a lot there. But guys, I keep saying it. This is not hard. Once you start getting the stickers and creating them, they're not difficult to do. Look at these. These are sort of like an interesting style of hand-drawn style stickers. But and it's great for digital planning and journaling, as it says. They love it. Yeah, stickers are fantastic, but stickers can be for anything. Good notes could be for kids, for business. There's loads of niches within the sticker, if you like, niche that you can use. And like I said, this is a prime example of it. Getting $6,000 for something that is just simply a digital download, PDF download, guys. So you can't really go wrong. I mean, this is the real passive income type. So, guys, like I said, if you do like videos on Etsy and you do like videos on passive income or making money through digital downloads, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe. Please smash that notification bell so you can get notification on more videos. And I do have my playlist on this anyway. But coming back to this very quickly, well, like I said, I can go down through the niches, but you guys, like I said, it's very simple. You just add words and then you'll see what types there are. But this is the simplest thing you could do, guys. You just simply need to go over to Canva, right? And you type in sticker templates. Okay, type in sticker templates. I mean, what you could do is you could simply just adjust ones that you can see, because there's so many different types here, so many nice, cool, interesting designs. Something that you think you could use, something for kids, something for business, all sorts of stickers, guys, because people like these digital stickers. They are quite cool. And then when you get the design that you like, you obviously click on it and then you customize your template, because that's the beauty about this. You can customize it how you like. And then customizing this is pretty good. You'd get your design element and then you start looking at how to customize it. And what's nice is, you've got so many options to do this. You can create some elements, change some elements within it. Like I said, they have everything here for you in Canva. So, you could just say heart, go to graphics, because obviously you want it like a little design style. And you never know. You just change up the design. You could take away the hand, put a heart, and then slowly just build it and start changing it. And just build it up. However you want to do it. If you're trying to change it up, change the design, change the color, guys. It's simple. Maybe you don't like the heart, change it up, make it into a different style. And simply this is what you do. You start experimenting, start creating, change it up. You might not like it, you might go back, but if you wanted to share it, you can even print the stickers through here. But if you just want it as a digital download, which you do, then you just download it, whether it be as a PNG, or you can do it as a JPEG or as a PDF. You can print it download it in any style you want. And then simply once you've got that, guys, once you've sort of created it, you just simply go over to something like ETSY and then upload it as a PDF or as a whatever you need. These guys have got digital download. Digital file is their one PDF. Instant download. Very easy, very simple, nothing difficult about it. Now you saw in a few seconds I created just one, right? Very quickly adapted one sticker. Now, you don't have to sell even that many. At the beginning, you can sell, a bundle, obviously, because the stickers are usually bundle stickers, right? I must say, people do like their bundles. So, think of something where it might be 160, 100 stickers, 50 stickers, and have a theme. You can see that this has a sort of theme style. They're kind of pastel colors design. So obviously you want to have a sort of idea and a theme where they kind of look maybe similar in a style. Now, if I look at this one, I just want to analyze this one. This is 165 digital download stickers. So this one's not making as much, obviously. There's about 212 per month revenue. But this is quite a new listing. But guys, like I said to you, when you're looking at something like this, which is once you've created it, it's literally like passive income, and then you list it on Etsy, that literally is your money that is coming back to you over and over again for something that is honestly quite simple to do. But like I said, this is another addition that you get to your kind of what you're selling on the digital world, if you like. Digital planners are fantastic. Obviously, make sure you're in the niche. I've got videos on that. And obviously, stickers also, they go very well with the planners as well. So if you're looking at designing a planner, think about designing stickers that go with that planner, because that would work fantastically well. So, yeah, and like I said, create it quite simply in Canva, just like I showed you. It's absolutely easy to do, guys. So that's it. I'm going to leave it there. If you like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. And please don't forget to check out all the links in my description. I've got some free trials there and so on. And you can just practice and try out Canva if you haven't already done so. There is a free version which you could try anyway. But if you want to see the pro version, you can check out the link in my description. But guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and don't forget to check out the videos that come up after this. Thank you. Take care.